How hot is hot, you might ask? About that hot.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get it caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. A little bit of intel into this one. GoPros failed trying to film in the dark. My bad, settings were wrong, and they just don't do well in the dark. So we got some of our Samsung footage here and some stills. We got the phone call for this about 9:30. Dark for us is probably about 10:30, and the boat was well over half an hour downriver from our launch location. So away we went. Sport jet motor blew up in this boat that we're going to get, and of course there's 5 full-grown people on board as well. We made, I don't know, 3 or 4 attempts to try to get it on step with everybody in the tow boat. We couldn't do it. We wound up running everybody back up to the closest bridge next to land that we could get, dropped them off in the dark actually, and went back to get the boat. So this is where we found them. This is just us getting there, and yeah, it was something else. They were down about 40 minutes downriver fishing. They attempted to come back up, and of course they had all their gear for the day or whatever else. You know, you never expect trouble. And boat anchor sport jets, we all know what the sport jet is. Anyhow, it grenaded on them. Don't really know what happened there, and here they were. Now here's the last clip that we have, and this was once we got it up on step, and it looks like daylight, but it wasn't, as you can see by the still images once the light compensation's gone. Thanks for watching.
Baby, I'm bad.